After our top has dried for 24 hours, we can unclamp it. And hang up the clamps. Prior to sizing this down, we first want to look for any residual glue that we didn't get wiped off when we glued it up. We're going to take a scraper and scrape off the glue. To size the length of our coffee table top, we first want to take off about 1/8 of an inch on the panel saw. Then we need to flip it over and mark our board at 40 inches. And cut it to length. Our coffee table top is now cut to a finished length of 40 inches. To size the width of our top, we first need to run it through the joiner one time. Our finished width is 20 inches, but I'm going to add 1/16 of an inch so that we can clean up that mill marked edge on the joiner. And then back to the joiner. Our top is now sized to our finished width of 20 inches and our finished length of 40 inches. After having sized the width and the length for our top, we are ready to size the thickness using the planer and wide belt sander. On the planer, we are only going to take off as little material as possible just until each face is cleaned up. We want the top to remain as thick as it can possibly be. Using a digital caliper, our board is about 0.84 inches thick. After setting our machine, we can run each face of our top through so that it cleans up any mill marks that the planer might have left. Again, we want to take off as little as we possibly can, so we're only going to send it through 1 or 2 times on each side. Because our top is so wide, we are going to only bring the machine down 1/100th of an inch so that the motor can handle the amount of width that we have on our board.